Don't play with me, little girl. Me ain't no size. Me ain't no in a lead, brother. Me ain't up on the levels, brother. Me have car, me have apartment. Me live comfortable in a blood clot, and my man make sure I'm comfortable. Me no fuck people married man. Me not deal with married man, my friend. And if me forever deal with married man, me would have well comfortable because I'm a normal married man. Me a take girl. Don't ramp with me. Don't play with me, little girl. You're bright. Cause una wasters, no bad mind, no corrupt, no hungry more than anybody else. You don't want nothing at all out of life. You just want to walk and take man and just feel like you don't forget money just so. You didn't feel like send me that go have you up and make you make money up for me and bill a name up for me. And that's why you vex with me and bad mind me. You come talk about you better than me and my workless and me this and that and popcorn the water. Of course you gonna want him living at everybody there, my friend. Popcorn the living at my friend them too. To be honest. Why are you acting like it's so some exclusive person and him here so yeah give a free pum pum, me no like spend money. Let's be real. One boy don't like to spend money. So I'm gonna pop up in a year then because in here so yeah give a free all. Yeah. Free pum pum I give over there, sir. Yeah, we're gone for free pum pum. Yoy. The scare you go want to catch up place or and catch up house. Yeah, that's the place that catch up. I joke me I make. You go. Nobody not to spend too much for you. I come talk about say this and that. You could even find your only fans. Your money for book place to do all the fans because you fail at all the fans, right? You come talking about. Oh, you work this and I look better than I'm a better girl for you are. Everything you come on the internet, you come ball because you want people to start. You know, want blood clot work. And you pum feel in a life. And you come bring me down for come get clout off of my name and come bring me down. With the eye water you want to head. Or you take people husband and your head want blood clot do. Every blood clot time I see your head want do. Every time. Chrissy need to find you and but you nasty blood clot. You know no fucking behavior. I told me not have no visa, make me not find you and beat your head for you. Then you ball to you and take your man. Take your man after wicked girl, bad mind, ready eye girl. You see people with them man and them things and then good life and want to come friend them up. And people like you friend people and kill people. Yeah. So after that the girl malice me, she must see black me on Twitter. And then the other day went and the whole saga come up with popcorn. She comes sliding on me DM boss so she need help. This girl. Or she wants somebody to talk to, so she in a one place in her life and she wants somebody to talk to. And me with my enough self, I call her on my chopper number because the girl they could get my number. I call her and I be about the girl they on phone about and I talk about say she not have no money and she not live nowhere. And I come talk to me like she feel like somebody go start here and send my money. Go give me not send my money, go give no free pum pum girl. No girl when I have no ambition for beg man. You for beg, you too workless. Sorry for anything when I reach up for you are a wicked girl, you're bad mind and you're eye red. You walk with your friend famous people for bring them down. You walk there with artists to get clout off for them. And groupie lifestyle not pay. You need to bring your life and bring yourself in a one church and baptize. So you not even have no she not beg the man them. She not beg the man them and the first girl is me see. I walk out there with how much in man and not beg them. Then she call me because a long time she tell me about this CMR guy now. A long time she tell me about this guy and lie me I tell upon her guys. I told me don't know why me never record the girl conversation. Them would have leaked them long time. Cause she too much. And for a long time she try to run in for me. A long time from before she come out with this she tell me about it and I told her do not come and talk about it because the man is married. That is what I told her. Her situation is completely different than mine. Me never take a married man. But take a man who have about 1 million girl. You take a married man who have a family and children. Yeah. Like you come ball and I come talk about you feel. You one time the boy I'll call police on her because she call the boy and say she got dirt herself, her own herself because she all get lose her mind. She lose her mind. Man have her catch a people place a catch a boat in America have her catch a. You think so no boy can make me go on a body yard go stay my love? Eh? Boy have to pay me rent. Boy have to put me in an apartment and buy furniture and pay my blood clean rent. Yeah? Young and bedless with the name her. You're too much and you get too bright. Don't make me book you for Jamaica though. After she continue to cry and cry to me, and because she say me never that take up my money for gear. And you know, she used to always come for my life to, you know, guys, cause if you look on my other page and I see my post one clip, because this girl always coming on the internet crying and begging people sympathy. Always crying is like she use it to get people to sorry for her because she's so wicked and evil. You see people are bally, always wicked. Yes, she need help, she need deliverance, she homeless, she need a job, she this, she that. When I tell them if I talk to this girl, I tell her, I say she have to work. I call her on the phone, I tell her, I say, look here, you have to work, you have to work. She say she can't work because the work hard and them. So if you don't work, or you ever get paid, things that me that take up my hard work money and give you nice bed. Shani, see bed there. See bed there. See nice bed there. Where you don't have after taking people husband. Young and bedless. Clap border at them and drop the border. And them even have furniture. And not even you not have furniture. All the blood clap border at them have more things than you.